gonna try this one. Tower. Hello, good morning. So we're heading to Kuala Lumpur from Larkin. So we came from the Fives Hotel, took a Grab ride, only cost around $9. So update your app. So also the payment procedures, and take note in Larkin station they only accept cash. Better to bring an extra because sometimes the reader doesn't take the money. Thanks, shout out to the brother who changed our bills. So we are now right here. Supposedly it's 6:45, but there's also a delay in bus ride here. The trip will be around 4.5 hours, so we'll be arriving at Kuala Lumpur around 11 or 12. Hope it's a good trip for us. Okay, so we just arrived here in TBS station here in Kuala Lumpur. This is a big station. The train is just beside this one. There's also some taxi going down. And it's not so crowded today. Maybe because it's Sunday. And we have a good weather going here. It was rainy earlier. Good thing now it's just cloudy and no more rain showers. Very nice station here in Kuala Lumpur. Taxi ride going to the mall. And let's taste some A&W. No more A&W now in the Philippines, so we'll try to eat there. Okay, so we're here now at Berjaya Times Square to visit. They just opened now, A&W, because there's no more A&W in the Philippines, so we're gonna try this one out. Hello and welcome. We're now here at Kuala Lumpur. Maybe this is the center of the district here in the city. This is our room. We got it from the Airbnb. You just check it out. It's located here in Fortune Center. Fortune. Yep. This is your view. It's a big room. It's a full functioning house or flat. We have a microwave, an aircon, conditioning unit. We have a TV, access to Wi-Fi. Yeah. This is the view of our room here. We're near the Seri Bakit Ceylon, and it's near Berjaya District Center. Okay, it's very nice. Thank you for the accommodation here. Here is the comfort room. We have the comfort room here and the shower. On the other side is the laundry. You can use laundry, just buy soap. So it's very nice. And you have the big bed here. It's a queen size bed. Lots of storage for your clothes and everything. Very nice price. We had a good price here getting the unit. It's very clean. Doesn't smell bad, anything. Well maintained. A very big house. Thank you very much, and we'll see more about Kuala Lumpur, about Malaysia in a little while. See ya. So now we're going to the KL Tower. KL Tower has a revolving restaurant on top. We'll see later if it's feasible. We'll see if it's a good investment. Online is 49 ringgit for the entrance. We don't know what's included with that one. If you're gonna eat and it's included, I think we're just gonna eat there. Better. We catch good weather today here in Kuala Lumpur. Not sunny, it's not hot. It just rained earlier. That's why it's cloudy. Hopefully it won't rain again anymore anytime soon. Good. Also the vegetation here is good. A lot of plants and trees all around. Upside down house.
Buti dito ang dami electric fan.
There's a mini zoo.
Revolving restaurant, tas observation deck.
These are the KL Tower attractions.
Telecommunication tower lang pala.
The second tallest telecommunication tower in the world. Some facts about the KL Tower. It was constructed 1992 to 1996. Let's go here and walk inside. No payment yet. Even the guard did not tell anything about it. Hiking. Ooh. So you need to prepare yourselves of walking in stairs, going up.
It's always ascending.
There's also a tower there. I don't know if you can see that one. I don't know what that is. Ooh. You can see the hop on hop off tours just in front of us.
Why did it sit down?
Very nice, huh? Very tiring. I'm sweating inside and trying to catch my breath. Tip: when going up, small steps only. Do not rush. Okay, so it's the same as in Johor.
8.5% ascension.
Johor Bahru. There's a lot of flags also here. The Malaysian flag. There it is.
Pwede dyan atakot.
So this one is not for stairs, that's irrigation. See, slowly. It's huge. Ooh. Come on. Walk slowly, nice and steady. No rush. Whew. Welcome. We're finally here. Too much stairs, but just right. Give you a little sweat. And now we're trying to go inside. What to do here? Let's go inside. Sky deck or the skybox is temporarily closed today because of bad weather conditions, but the observation deck is open. 60 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit. There's the Petronas. Amazing, all the buildings and the structures here in Malaysia is huge. It's foggy, it rained earlier. If you buy the tickets here, it's $60 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit per person for non-Malaysian residents. Just to give you a life hack, you can book in klook.com. It's cheaper. Check it out. We just book it now. We pay the ticket and it's good. There's a welcome photo there.
And you'll get a ticket for it.
Chandelier.
60 right?
200 meters. So we're going to the observation deck and the revolving restaurant. Let's check. 250 meters. Okay, we're at the observation deck. Amazing view. Ooh, 3D. Green screen. It's a good idea to take photos here because the background is so bright. It'll be only silhouette. A lot of souvenir items also sold here. Just enjoy the view while you're still here. Historical Geluto.
May buluto.
So, if you take the photo going inside, you can have that 8R size photo or something like that for 100 ringgit. You get two hard copies, and you can download all the soft copies that you have. We have 5 pictures. So this is the history of the Gelutong tree. Pokok. This is a rare tree, more than 100 years old. Wow. So big. There's a mini zoo inside this underneath this. This is the KL Tower. You will see the upside down house here now. The upside down house. It's 421 meters. An amazing tower. That is our KL Tower trip for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. So now from KL Tower, it's like a 1 kilometer away walk. From there going to the famous twin towers of Petronas. Another remarkable landmark. You need a lot of rest before going here because it's very tiring for the legs.
Because it's 8.5% elevation.
Finally reach the Petronas Tower. It's right above us. See people Petronas Tower. This is the reality here in Petronas, Kuala Lumpur. Drone shot. And